A critical issue affecting our community is the absence of working smoke alarms during house fires. 3 out of 5 fire deaths in the U.S. occur in homes with no functioning smoke alarms. With nearly half of all fire deaths occurring at night when most people are asleep, it's crucial to have alarms installed and functioning. Smoke alarms should be installed within each sleeping area and on every floor of the home. Place them on ceilings or high on walls and at least 10 feet from cooking areas. It's preferable they be interconnected so when one sounds, they all do. When it comes to maintenance, remember, once a month, once a year, once a decade. Once a month, test all of your smoke alarms to ensure they're working. Once a year, change the batteries in all of your alarms. Once a decade, replace the alarms themselves. If you live in Denton, you can contact the Denton Fire Department for free smoke alarms with installation and a home fire safety inspection. Remember, a working smoke alarm gives you and your family the critical seconds needed to escape safely.